let me get this one. Alright. And dip it here. Nababaw kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Sebastian's Food Hub for sending us their products. Guys, look at my table. Sobrang punong-puno to, guys. From end to end. Punong-puno ng pagkain. So previously, na-feature na natin si Sebastian. It was Parisan at that time sa Floridablanca. And now they have transformed their brand into something that will benefit yung mga customer natin. So now they have a wide variety of choices sa mga pagkain nila. And ito nga yun, guys. These are just sample and tititikman natin ngayon. Let's go! So first off, guys, mapapansin nyo, meron na tayong mga makis at saka mga kimbap. Now this is called Chixi Maki. This one is called the Nude Maki. One of the popular makis, meron din sila, guys. This is called their Volcano Maki. Dip it. Dip it. Oh, wow. Next is the kimbap. And guys, let me get this one. Right, so ayun guys, next to taste is the Sesame Maki. Look at this one. More from their Korean-based meals. This one is called Kanjang Tofu. Yeah, take a look at it. As is. Parang ito yung nagustuhan ko, guys. It has really sweet sauce. Yan, papansin niyo, guys. More of it. Isa pa sa mga tofu nila is called, so this one is the Tofu Jurim Spicy. Oh wow. Very Korean. You know, the typical Korean flavor. Spicy, a little bit sweet, and then salty. Siyempre guys, sa mga Korean dishes nila, hindi mawawala yung mga japchae. Let's taste it. Grabe, ang sarap nito. If you remember, guys, do sa introduction ko, sabi ko, previously, they are known to be Sebastian's Parisan. Kinain natin noon dun sa on-site when we were there. Yan. So this one's the pares. Take a look at it, guys. Siyempre, pares dyan yung rice. Tignan muna natin yung rice, guys. And then, the pares. Look at this. Oh, wow. Wow. Not too salty. And the beef meat is so tender. If you're to ask me, guys, pares or this one, I'd go for the pares. Another improvement pa sa kanilang menu or additional sa kanilang menu are yung mga silog meals natin. Ito yung para mga bento meals, no? The burger silog, your patty, and then you have your yellow rice. Sarap na burger natin, parang nga siyang burger steak. Sa lahat ng mga silog, guys, of course, para sa akin, top pa rin yung itlog. Kahit anong kapartner niyan. Top silog. Tikman din natin. Salty. It's sweet. Ganun lang siya naglalaro na ng taste natin. Some more rice. And tomato. So meron din tayong bangus silog over here. And the beef bulgogi. Notice, guys, so yung kasama ng itlog natin dito is like a kimchi. Ayan. And then, yung bulgogi beef natin. Okay, this one, I wanna try. I really wanna try. Para ma-compare ko dun sa tapa natin. Generous, guys. Very generous. Wow. Bulgogi, I like it. I super duper like it, guys. Plus fresh kimchi. Dagdagan pa natin yun ng itlog. Now, last two are their chicken meals. This one is the teriyaki, and then the last is the chicken sweet and spicy. Okay, let me taste the teriyaki. Cheers! Teriyaki. Very classic. Now for the sweet and spicy, tikman naman natin siya. Wow! If you are to ask me dun sa chicken nila, I'm gonna go for the sweet and spicy. This was really good. Alright, so there you have it guys. Grabe, sobrang dami ng pagkain na to. Kahit nga patikim-tikim lang ako pa isa-isa sobrang nabusog na ako. So if you're to ask me sa mga maki, what would you go for? I think para sa akin, I'm gonna recommend yung kanilang volcano maki at saka yung chixi maki. Now sa mga silog meals naman, I think I would recommend yung kanilang mga Korean chicken meals, particularly yung kanilang sweet and spicy. Of course, the classic, meron din tayong pares at saka lomi. Meron pa tayong mga burgers. I think these are good for, to go, mga pabaon, and lalong-lalo yung mga bata, magugustuhan din yung mga to. So again guys, thank you so much Sebastian Food Hub. I'm really happy that you have, expanded your menu. Mas marami po kayong makikater ng mga customer, lalong-lalo na yung mga paborito ang mga pagkain ganito. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and thank you so much for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace. Bye guys.